Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, a really easy design that anybody could draw their very first time they ever do anything. We're going to nudge this out of the way. I'm going to take an ellipse. And I need to make it an even number like 18 and hit P. And then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to make the next one 15. Then I'm going to select them both and I'm going to go L to put that to the left. Now, I'm going to go ahead and bring in my indexing lines that are in the center of the page. I'm going to go ahead and group this. I don't really have to, but I'm going to go ahead and group it. So Control G and then Control D, and see the center rotation is still there. We don't have to put it anywhere. I'm going to rotate 120 degrees. Now, we do not have to do it again, but I am. So I've got 240 rotation. So I've got 3 items. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and talk this deepest part and see how the indexing line actually stopped it. And then I'm going to go, and that's all I have to do. Now, whenever I'm first doing this, I'm going to check it before I do anything just to see what it looks like, to see if I've got the right amount. So I'm going to fill that in and move that out of the way. I'm going to grab that, and I'm not going to delete it. I'm going to move it up and then move that back. I'm nudging with the arrow keys. Control D to make a duplicate and make the duplicate blue, but move your center rotation to the center of the page and rotate it 120 degrees. You need everything filled in and like that, and then Control D and duplicate will make that one green. So you kind of see the object. So what we're going to do, we're going to keep that black one. We're going to nudge these out of the way, and I like that blue. I'm going to make it that blue. And then I don't really think it matters which way you make the interactive fill tool. I am still going to go to this bottom with a dark, like I did in the first one. That's all that's to it. Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on it and move the center rotation to the center. Click off, click on, see if it's still there. Rotate it 120 degrees. Control D again. And you have that done. Put a black box. Black box I've been using lately. It really shows it off. And if that doesn't look like a twisted circle, I don't know what does. So give that a try. You can actually take a screenshot of that right there so you don't know which lines to cut. But it's just starting. If you start in this position, cut that longest one, and really you're just cutting like 2 lines or 3 lines. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.